Viewers, my name is Probin Namatha and today I will discuss about ultrasonic machining. Outline of the presentation is introduction and classification of non-conventional machining process and why conventional machining are used, ultrasonic machining process, principle and schematic diagram, equipment, process parameters and capabilities and advantage, disadvantage and application. Introduction. Ultrasonic machining have gained importance in numerous industries such as aviation, defense, nuclear industries, tool and die making industries, etc. Ultrasonic machining is a subtractive manufacturing process that removes material from the surface of a part through high frequency, low amplitude vibration of a tool against the material surface in the presence of fine abrasive particles. Difficulties and simultaneously achieving high degree of precision and surface finish is the traditional method of machining has led to development some new machining techniques. Material removal process can be divided into two groups. One is conventional machining process and second one is unconventional machining process. Here classification of non-conventional machining process is types of energy, mechanism of material removal, transfer media, energy source and processes. Mechanical, here AGM and USM, abrasive jet machining and ultrasonic machining are used. Why unconventional machining? The main reason of using unconventional machining process to produce complex surfaces, production rates is very low, material removal rates is typically 0.8 cm to 2 per minute. Lead time typically depends on the complexity of tool, special tooling required for the job, and material utilization poor, scrap material cannot be recycled, and high degree of automation possible and economical for low production runs can be used for once off. Tooling cost is high and equipment costs are generally moderate. Ultrasonic process, here it is a non-traditional machining process. The tool which is negative of the workpiece is vibrated at around 20 kHz with an amplitude of between 0.013 and 0.08 mm in an abrasive grid slurry at the workpiece surface. The workpiece surface between removed by the essentially three mechanism: hammering of the grid against the surface by the tool, impact of free abrasive grid particle and cavitation. The slurry also removes debris away from the surface. The tool is gradually moved down, maintaining a constant gap approximately 0.1 mm between the tool and workpiece surface. Principle: tool material vary with the application and alloy tool wear during the machining. Common tool material are mild steel, stainless steel, tool steel, brass, carbides, etc. Abrasive grit available in the many grades and material types. Materials are commonly used in boron carbide, aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, and rotary ultrasonic machining uses a vibrating and rotating diamond tool but no abrasives. Ultrasonic welding uses ultrasonic vibration to impart shearing stresses in the materials to be joined, which cause local plastic deformation and eventually solid thread bonding, used for joining sheet metal and plastic for stacking material insecting of plastic parts. Ultrasonic cleaning uses high frequency sound wave in a liquid causing cavitation which cleans the surface of the component, similar to a scrubbing action used to remove scale, rust, etc. And here symmetric diagram are below. Fixture are the fixed by the work surface and abrasive slurry is also done. Equipment: ultrasonic machining consists of power supply, transducer, piezoelectric transducer and magnetostatic tool, tool holder, horn, abrasive slurry, workpiece. Process parameters: abrasive size and abrasive material is aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, boron carbide, diamond. Amplitude of vibration 15 to 50 and frequency of vibration 19 to 25 kHz. Fit force related to dimension, slurry, work material, contact area of the tool and volume concentration of abrasive in water slurry. Process capabilities: carbides, ceramics, glass that cannot be machined by the conventional method. Tolerance: 7 micron to 25 microns, holes up to 76 microns have been drilled, and material removal rate 0.025 to 25 mm per minute. Surface finish 0.25 micron to 0.75 micron. Pros: USM is used to hard brittle materials such as glass, engineered ceramics, quartz, etc. It produces fine finished result. Unlike conventional machining methods, ultrasonic machining produces no heat affected zone. Ultrasonic machining does not thermally damage the workpiece. It appeared introduce significant level of residual stress, which is important for the several brittle materials in service. Cons: low material removal, high power consumption, high tooling cost. The initial equipment cost is higher than the conventional machine tools. It is difficult to machine softer materials. Application: holes, slots, and complex cavities in hard brittle materials used in machining of dies of wire drawing, punching, and blanking operation. USM enables to dentist to drill a hole of any shape on teeth with any pen. USM can be used to cut industrial diamonds. And last of all, thank you.